In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a photo quality rendering of your product. There is one thing you want to do before you render your product, is to make sure that it's sitting on a reference plane. In this case, I'm setting it on the XZ reference plane. I go to my Origins folder and highlight the XZ plane. If I look at my right view, you'll see that my the train track is sitting on the XY plane. I'm sorry, the X. You can see that the train track is sitting on the XZ plane. If it's not, you could create an assembly constraint and mate the bottom of the tracks to the XZ plane. Let's go to Environments and select Inventor Studio. Select Render Image. Most of the settings can be done in this small menu, but further settings are available here in this area here under this set of menus. But for right now, I'm going to just show you how to use these and choose the current view. You could adjust your lighting. There are several presets here. I like using the outdoor lighting, but you could experiment with some of the other lighting themes. As I mentioned earlier, I have my product sitting on the XZ ground plane, but you could position it on other planes, and you could specify other surfaces, and I suggest you play around with these and get to know how they look, because it gives you different views, different looks. There's two settings for the rendering type. You could either have it shaded or an illustration. I'm setting it at shaded for this rendering, and as a last step, you select render, and that's what my rendering will look like. If you're happy with the rendering, you can choose save, and save the rendering here as either JPEG or a PNG file. I'm going to change my scenes. I could do that, close this, and choose scene styles. This is the background, the current background for your product. The background is a solid color white, but you can have more than one color. You could have a color gradient and say you want the background color to be a light blue and the foreground white. It'll look like this. You can also specify your own image, and I've found this image on Google and put it into my folder, and you could select import any picture you'd like on the internet of a background that you like. Hit open, and you can use this option to stretch the picture so it completely covers the background. Save your work, hit done, and go back to rendering and render, and your product will be sitting in front of that the image that you imported. Save your work again, and submit the image to LMS to complete your assignment.